Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AWS CloudWatch Logs step by step. To register with AWS CloudWatch Logs, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudWatch service in the console. On the left sidebar, click on Logs. If you haven't already created a log group, click on Create Log Group at the top of the screen. Enter a name for your log group. Be mindful of the naming conventions and provide a descriptive name. Once you've named your log group, click Create. Now, your log group should appear in the list on the page. Next, you'll want to create a log stream within that log group. Select your newly created log group. Click on Actions and then select Create Log Stream. Enter a name for your log stream. Again, ensure the name is descriptive for better organization. Click Create. At this point, you have your log group and log stream set up. To send logs to CloudWatch, you'll need the appropriate permissions. Make sure your IAM role has permissions for CloudWatch logs. You can create a policy with permissions like logs create log stream and logs put log events. Attach this policy to the IAM role you will be using. Next, configure your application or service to send logs to CloudWatch. This may involve using the AWS SDK or AWS CLI. Follow the documentation specific to your programming language or framework for implementation details. Once you've configured your application, ensure it points to the correct log group and log stream. After your application is running, it should start sending logs to the log stream you created. Return to the CloudWatch Logs section in your AWS console. Click on your log group to check for incoming logs. You should see new log events appearing in real time. Finally, verify that your logs are being captured as expected. This completes the registration process with AWS CloudWatch Logs. You are now set to monitor and manage your logs effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.